Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. I'm in Animal Kingdom. I'm going to have so much fun today. I just want to take you to show you the menagerie, and then I'm going to get on a bus and go over to Animal Kingdom Lodge and look at their Christmas decorations. And I'm taking you with me, so let's go. First, I have to see these beautiful babies here. Look at these adult little babies. Look, there's a little pink pelican over there. They're having some food. Don't you love the ducks? The ducks are my favorite. Oh my gosh, I love them. I can't believe we made it to Vlogmas Day 23. It's nearly over, y'all. I've had so much fun. But it's not over yet. We still have more to do. So I'm going to show you the menagerie. It's so neat. I don't know if you've seen it yet. I did do one little short of the menagerie. But it's puppeteers. And they're animals, puppeteers. I'll show it to you. Oh, I love the music they're playing too. Okay, I think I see the menagerie down there. They're right as soon as you walk in the park, which is very convenient. Oh, there's one.
Hello!
What's his name?
This is Muffin.
Muffin. You're so cute, Muffin. I love you. He's adorable.
Thank you.
You too. Oh, there's some more little ones. Those are cutest things.
Peanut butter and this is jelly.
Oh, peanut butter and jelly. Y'all are cute. They're adorable. Peanut butter and jelly. Oh, that's a muffin. Apparently they changed them because when I was here, there were different ones out here. And then someone's out here playing music. Look at that. Oh my. Now what is this one's name?
This is Tinsel.
Tinsel. It's a reindeer. He's adorable.
Thank you.
I love you, Tinsel. I love you. Merry Christmas. That's amazing. I recommend coming and see the menagerie. I had never seen them until this year, and I really do like them. But right now, I want to go see my favorite little friend. He's a monkey, and he's got a white thing on his head, and I think that it's a mother, and she had a baby not long ago. I've got that in one of my videos. There's some new lions in the safari when we have time. Well, I want to come and do like a whole vlog in Animal Kingdom one day after Vlogmas is over, and we'll go see the new lions. But this is like a great park to come to. We'll come back in maybe January. Oh, there he is. There's a monkey. That's the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Look at him. Oh, here's another one. Aren't they the cutest? They look kind of like just little babies. Okay, this tells about them. Cotton top tamarins, that's what they are. I love them. Let's head to the bus, because you can't get into Animal Kingdom Lodge unless you have a dining reservation or you're staying there. They won't let you in. So the trick is to come to Animal Kingdom, hop on a bus, and ride over there. Get on the Animal Kingdom Lodge bus, and then just leave your car here. Fun. I love Pizza Safari. We're not eating there today. Oh, there's Timon and Pumbaa and baby Simba. Have you seen the new movie? I think it just came out. We've got to go see that. There's the macaws.
Species of critically endangered macaws, but these are the rarest of them all because there's actually fewer than 400 of them. And if you're just passing by, this is Main Encounters. My favorite part is coming up, so come on out and join us. All this space up here, it's a great spot to be, so come in and join us. We have just a few more minutes left of this amazing experience. These birds are blue-throated macaws. This is Emmett and Primrose, and there's fewer than 400 of them left out in wild places. It's due to things like habitat loss, due to deforestation, and even the illegal pet trade that's causing problems for them. But it's not all bad news because we have actually teamed up with the World Parrot Trust. We're teaming up with them to send 14 blue-throated macaws down to Bolivia to be part of a breeding program where hopefully their offspring will be released into the wild so that they can meet up with that smaller population, have some babies of their own, and boost up those numbers so that we can see skies filled with macaws for generations to come. That would be pretty incredible, right? Well, you can see that here. Just take a look up to the sky.
Okay, here they come. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
How incredible is this?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we've got some more of those blue-throated macaws joining us out here. And what you're seeing us do right now is that positive reinforcement training I was just talking about. But we
I love the macaws.
feather friends and flight.
Okay, let's head over to Animal Kingdom Lodge. That was so fun. Look at this popcorn bucket on the way out. That is cute. There's a lot going on here today. I wish I could just spend the whole day here. But I've got to hurry up and go over to Animal Kingdom Lodge so I can show you that loveliness. And then Kim is going to be getting off work soon, and then he and I are going to go finish our Christmas shopping. So be sure and subscribe to my channel so you'll see me come back to Animal Kingdom and spend a whole day. Let's take a look at the Animal Kingdom tree. It's lovely. It's pretty at night too. I got to come back at night and see the holiday show on the tree. Maybe next week. Come over. There's ER. They'll still have the Christmas activities until after New Year's. Oh, there's Chip and Dale. That's cute, Chip and Dale. Alright, I'm heading to the Animal Kingdom Lodge bus. 10 to 26. So on the top of the buses they have where they're going. Let's see if I see Animal Kingdom Lodge. Where are you? That's Wilderness Lodge and Contemporary. Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach. Fort Wilderness. I hate that we didn't make it to Fort Wilderness during Vlogmas. That's another after Christmas Day trip. Animal Kingdom Lodge. And the bus is here. Oh, wait.
We are on our way to Kidani Village and Jungle House.
I like Disney buses. Yep, I think we're here. Animal Kingdom Lodge. Yep, Animal Kingdom Lodge. Oh, this is such a great resort. These are actually DVC Villas right down here. We're heading to the main hotel. They're playing that fun Christmas music too, the African-inspired Christmas music. I love it. Right. Oh, wow. Animal Kingdom Lodge. Look at that tree. Oh, how beautiful is this? There's a small tree there. Look at that tree. Have I seen this tree before? That's amazing. Look at the whole lobby. I see a bow on top of the tree. I Love the garland. This is really beautiful. Let's go get a little closer. Beautiful tree. Some of the ornaments on this tree are amazing. That's a big, huge bow. It's very detailed. Really love it. Look how tall it is. Yikes. It's just beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a cornucopia. There's another bow. Musical instruments. Here's someone taking pictures of people at the tree. There's a giraffe. I think this is a great place to stay for Christmas. It's beautiful. Look at the garland around the balconies. We need to go get on that bridge and look down. Lovely. Okay, let's look at this gingerbread. Gingerbread holiday tradition. A 7-foot tall gingeraffe. In size, our ginger compares to one of our young giraffes you can look for on the savannah. So these animals are made from gingerbread. Look at you. You're 7 feet tall. Have you ever seen a zebra or a giraffe made from gingerbread? Well, now you have. Our animals are created using 34 pounds of honey, 27 pounds of flour, 1.5 pounds of gingerbread, seeds, spices, 1 dozen eggs, a pound of simple syrup, and 12 pounds of dark modeling chocolate. I bet it takes them a long time to do that, to create that. You can buy a mule, a giraffe cookie, a gingerbread martini, what I've been looking for. But I'm not drinking a gingerbread martini right now. I gotta bring Philip back with me. Have a gingerbread martini. There's so much to do, you can't do it. Hot cocoa flight. Those are good. So this is just like a bar. Then they have holiday activities. They have a pajama party at 7:30 to 8:15 on Tuesday, the 24th, which is Christmas Eve. They have a Christmas campfire tomorrow night. No, the 24th and 25th. How about that? Okay, this is the savannah. You can walk out on this and look at animals. I want to walk up to the top so I can look at the tree from up there. So I'm looking forward to doing my resort tour of this lovely place. We've stayed here a couple of times and we loved it. I think the elevators are right down here. There's giraffes out there. There's all kinds of animals outside. Okay, I think I made it to the right floor. I can't wait to come do a resort tour video for you. And I am afraid of heights, but for some reason I'm not afraid doing this. Because I'm in Disney. Look how lovely. Look at these lights. I think Joe Rohde helped design this lovely place. Oh, there's Club Level over there. I see a TV on. And then you look out this side and you can see the savannah. So when I do the resort tour, we'll go out there and look through all the animals. So beautiful. The restaurants here are amazing. Boma. That's what we need to do, is make a reservation at Boma and then come over and eat and do a resort tour. Or stay here. You can't stay everywhere, obviously, all the time, but on occasion. This music is amazing here too. I gotta bring Philip here. He's gonna love it. He can watch my video tomorrow. Philip watches all my videos. So hi, honey. You're in some of them too. Oh my. So beautiful. Just lovely. I love the gingerbread animals and the tree and the fact that they have this gingerbread martinis here that you can just stop and get. We're coming back. So that's the lounge. I think it's Victoria Falls. Yeah. And there's Boma down there. That lounge is supposed to have some really good food. Okay, let's go walk through this gift shop. How pretty. Decorations. Oh, I love all the Christmas stuff. There's a Starbucks cup for $25 now. They're marking these things down, y'all. Good time to start buying. There's that gold backpack I like. This one. You can't go wrong with a gold backpack. There's some Animal Kingdom Lodge ears. Ah, those are cute. 2025. It's gonna be a great year. And a red backpack. So you can use that for Valentine's, Christmas, and 4th of July. So we stayed here once before we moved here, and we loved it. And we just got a standard room, but I researched and found what rooms to request for Savannah View, and we looked up and got it. And then we stayed again since we lived here, just like a staycation. Those are fun. I love a staycation because you don't have to get on an airplane. If you forget something, you can just go home and get it. Okay, so heading to the bus to go back to Animal Kingdom to get my car. Screens that tell you when the next buses are coming. So 3:26 is my next bus to Animal Kingdom. So I'll just sit down and wait. They're playing that pretty music inside the bus too. See if you can hear it. Out of Animal Kingdom, I'm going back to Peacock to my car, and then I'm gonna pick the vlog back up at home because I'm doing my unboxing of my advent calendar. So I'll see you at home. Hi. Okay, I'm back home now, and I got my calendar, my advent calendar. So let's see what the next day is. We're up to number 10, y'all. 10. So let's see what is number 10. I had so much fun at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I gotta go back there more. It's beautiful. You forget how pretty it is. I wonder what this is. I can't tell. Oh. White sage and sea salt body and hand cream. More hand cream. White sage and sea salt. I love that white sage stuff. Let me see a little bit. That's really good. I like it. I'm going to have so many hand creams and wonderful perfume and stuff. I can't wait to use all this stuff. Okay, number 10. Let's put it on the tree. Where should we put it? Maybe right here. No. Maybe right here. Number 10. 10. All right. So we only have 2 days left. Tomorrow is Vlogmas Day 24. I can't believe it. Okay, so be sure and subscribe so you won't miss Vlogmas Day 24 because it's going to be good. Vlogmas Day 24 is going to be so much fun. It's one of my favorite traditions that we have. Me and Philip buy each other a gift in Epcot every year because we buy what we want through the year and it's just excessive stuff to buy each other a ton of presents. So we set a $50 limit, but we never stick to it. And each of us goes shopping in Epcot. We go different ways and then get each other a gift. And then we end up in Italy to drink wine and watch the fireworks. And we also will buy Camden some things while we're there tomorrow night too, but I'll show that to you tomorrow night. So thanks for watching. And be sure and subscribe so you won't miss tomorrow and all the upcoming awesomeness in 2025. And remember, you're the magic. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Ho, ho, ho!